Hello, children! Today we will draw and learn English. Let's draw a cat and a mouse. What is this? This is a cat. 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 The cat is big. Big cat. Big cat. Happy cat. What is this? This is a cat. Happy cat. Big cat. Big cat. Happy cat. What is this? This is a cat. What is this? This is a cat. Happy cat. Happy cat. Now, what is this? This is a mouse. 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 The mouse is small. Small mouse. Small mouse. Happy mouse. Happy mouse. This is a mouse. Cat and mouse. Cat and mouse. Big cat. Small mouse. What color is the mouse? It is gray. Gray mouse. Gray mouse. What color is the cat? It is white. White cat. White, white cat. Well done! We drew a cat and a mouse. See you next time. Bye-bye.